Have you ever wondered, is there a drink that can help you sleep well and burn belly fat while you sleep? Today, we will share with you what to drink before you go to bed to burn belly fat and improve your sleep. The tips are simple to follow and they can yield amazing results. Make sure you watch till the end so that you have all the necessary tips with a variety of choices to enable you to be successful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this and turn on the notification so that you don't miss our videos. Now, let's get straight into the video. It is important to have good sleep to keep you happy and healthy. A poor, restless night could only make you feel tired in the day. Prolonged period with many days feeling exhausted could lead you to gain weight. Why does this happen? When you feel exhausted, it slows your metabolism. When this happens, your body uses less energy. Calories are burned at a slower rate. Insufficient sleep can also cause you to become hungry, and it could lead you to snack more often. After making everything comfortable to sleep with a soft pillow, a perfect mattress, and a conducive environment for sleep, many still struggle to sleep well when the lights are off. Getting quality sleep is vital to help you lose weight. Here are some beverages that you can have before sleep. They can burn belly fats, enable you to lose weight, and help you sleep better. Number 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is free of caffeine. It has the characteristics to make you feel calm with its sleep-inducing properties. As it is a mild sedative, it can relax your mind. Drink it warm before sleep aids weight loss. It also provides other health benefits to improve control of blood sugar level and the ability to detoxify and remove toxins from your body. Drink chamomile tea can give you a restful sleep. Number 2. Pure grape juice. Drink pure grape juice before you sleep can help you burn fat at night. Grapes contain a lot of antioxidants to convert calorie-storing fat into calories-burning fat. Grape juice can cause your body to secrete insulin at night, and insulin regulates your body clock. As a result, grape juice can improve sleep. Number 3. Milk. Take a glass of warm milk can help you sleep peacefully at night because it contains a lot of calcium. Calcium is known to help your brain use amino acid to create a substance called melatonin, and melatonin induces sleep. Have a good sleep can prevent your cravings for food the next day. Number 4. Protein shake. Many studies have shown that high protein diet can help you lose fat, especially around your belly area. Drink protein shake at least 30 minutes before sleep raises metabolism so that your body continues to burn calories and fat while you are at rest. Protein shake can keep you feeling full longer. In this way, it helps you consume less calories in the day. Number 5. Cinnamon tea. Consuming cinnamon tea just before sleep can boost up your metabolism. As cinnamon contains much antioxidants, it can help you burn fat during sleep. It also helps you to detoxify your body. You can add honey to improve its taste. To make cinnamon tea, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder into 1 cup of hot water. Stir well and brew for about 30 minutes. Drink a cup of warm cinnamon tea at least 1 hour before bedtime. Number 6. Cucumber parsley juice. Cucumber contains a lot of fiber with no calories, while parsley contains a lot of minerals and vitamins. They are nutrient-packed foods that are known to aid weight loss. Drinking this juice can speed up your progress in weight loss. With regular consumption of this drink, you can see feasible results. To prepare the juice, slice 1 cucumber with a bunch of parsley. Add half teaspoon of shredded ginger and 1 teaspoon of lemon and aloe vera juice. Blend them together with half a glass of water until they are in liquid form. Drink this before going to bed for 1 month. After that, you should stop for at least 1 week before repeating the cycle. Number 7. Aloe vera juice. Take aloe vera juice just before bedtime may help you trim extra fat. It improves the digestive system, and a healthy digestive system is critical for weight loss. Cut the outer layer of the aloe vera leaf, scoop out the gel from inside and put them into a blender. Add 2 cups of water and blend them. Drink this at least 1 hour before going to bed. Number 8. Turmeric milk. Turmeric could boost your metabolism and improve digestion to enable you to burn extra fat from your body. It has antioxidant properties to remove harmful toxins from your body. On the other hand, milk has the properties to help you sleep peacefully with its high level of calcium content. Having a good sleep will prevent you from overeating during the following day. Here is how to make turmeric milk. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder into a cup of warm milk. You can add cinnamon, honey, ginger, or pepper to improve the taste. Drink it before bedtime while it is still warm. Number 9. Lemon water. Drinking lemon water could potentially raise your metabolism. Some studies have found that by drinking more water, it increases the metabolic rate by 20 to 30% for 30 minutes. Because water is the main component of lemon water will provide similar benefit. As a result, this may lead to the loss in body weight. Squeeze the juices from 5 lemons and add them into 1 liter of water. Add mint if it helps to improve the flavor. Drink it at least 1 hour before sleep. Number 10. Cucumber and lime juice. Cucumber contains a lot of fiber, while lime provides the vitamins and minerals. As drinking more water can increase the metabolic rate, consuming the juice can help you burn fat while you sleep. Slice 1 cucumber and put it into a blender. Squeeze the juice from 1 lime. Add 1 liter of water. You can also use sparkling water as an alternative. Add honey or mint for better flavoring where required. Blend the juice together and drink it at least 1 hour before sleep. Number 11. Grapefruit juice. Studies have found that grapefruit contains certain antioxidants that can stimulate metabolism and help you burn fat faster. The antioxidants help to subdue the effect of certain inflammation in our body that slows metabolism. It is also high in fiber to enable you to feel full longer. Slice 1 to 2 grapefruits into half. Scoop out the fruits and put them into a blender. Add 1 liter of water. You can also use sparkling water. Add mint to improve the taste. Drink this at least 1 hour before sleep. Number 12. Pineapple juice. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain. It may help to raise the metabolism of your body to enable you to burn excess fat, especially that from your belly. It also helps to suppress your appetite so that you can consume less calories in the day. Slice half a pineapple into pieces. Put them into a blender. Squeeze 1 lemon and add 1 liter of water. You can also use sparkling water. Blend the mixture. Drink this at least 1 hour before bedtime. You can try the different drinks to see which work best for you. It is important to know that weight loss does not come overnight. You may not see much results in the first few days. It is also critical to consume less calories than the amount you burn in a day and avoid overeating. If you continue to drink them regularly for 1 month, you will see some improvements in your waistline. After 1 month, give yourself at least 1 week in between before repeating the cycle. Before you start drinking them, there are certain side effects that you need to consider. Most of the fruit-based drinks are acidic. Drinking them in the long term can lead to tooth cavities. In order to prevent it, you can drink more plain water or rinse your teeth after you take the fruit-based drinks. Brushing your teeth with toothpaste will also help. When required, consult your doctor before you start on this diet. You can watch the next video and the video with links in the description below on other methods to have a breakthrough in weight loss. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss more videos on how to lose weight, improve health and build muscle. I will see you in the next video and take care.